हेलो एवरीवन, मैं पल्लवी सिंह आपको नमस्कार करती हूँ। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डू लेसन 2 नंबर्स नेम इन हिंदी। इन हिंदी नंबर्स नेम वी से गिनती, नंबर। फर्स्ट वी विल नो अबाउट नंबर. व्हाट इज नंबर? नंबर मीन्स इन हिंदी वी से संख्या. Okay, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 0. So today we are going to start from 0. What we say 0 in Hindi? For 0 in Hindi we say shunya, shunya. For 1 in Hindi we say ek, ek. And how we will write? We will write this type. For 2 in Hindi we say do, do, and we will write this type do. Come to 3. For 3 in Hindi we say teen, teen, 3. 4, char, char, char. Okay. For 5 in Hindi we say panch, panch. And how to write panch? Like this. Okay. Come to 6. For 6 in Hindi we say chh, chh. And we will write chh like this. Come to 7. For 7 in Hindi we say saat. And this is pronunciation of saat. And we'll write this type of saat in Hindi. Come to 8. For 8 in Hindi we say aat, aat, and we will write 8 like this. Come to 9. For 9 in Hindi we say no, no, and we will write no like this. Come to 10. For 10 in Hindi we say das, das, and we will write das like this. Come to 11. For 11 in Hindi we say gyarah, gyarah, and we will write gyarah like this. Come to 12. For 12 in Hindi we say barah, barah, and we will write barah like this. Come to 13. For 13 in Hindi we say terah, terah, and we'll write terah like this. Come to 14. For 14 in Hindi we say chaudah, and chaudah we will write like this. And come to 15. For 15 in Hindi we say pandrah, pandrah, and we'll write pandrah like this. Come to 16. For 16 in Hindi we say solah, solah, and we will write solah like this. Come to 17. For 17 in Hindi we say satrah, and how to write 17? Like this. For 18 in Hindi we say 18, 18, and we will write 18 like this. 19. For 19 in Hindi we say 19, 19, and we will write 19 like this. Ek or no, it become 19. Come to 20. 20. For 20 in Hindi we say 20. 20 we will write like this. Do and 0. For do and 0 in Hindi we say 20. These are basic numbers. If we know these all numbers, easily we can write any numbers 21 to hundreds. So first we should memorize these all numbers, and then we will go our next slide. Okay, so now we are going to next slide. Our next slide is numbers name or Hindi numbers 21 to 30. Here we can say, here it is written English numbers, then Hindi numbers, Hindi word, English word, Hindi word, and Hindi pronunciation. Okay, suppose here it is written how we will pronounce these Hindi numbers. It is written here. So come to first English digit 21. In Hindi we say 21. 21, 21, 21. Okay, so come to 22. 22, 22, 22, 22. 23, 23, 23, 23. We all know English numbers name, so no need to pronounce this one. Only will go direct Hindi numbers. Okay, so come to our next number 24. For 24 in Hindi we say 24, 24, 24. 25 or 25. For 25 in Hindi we say 25, 25, 25. 26. For 26 in Hindi we say 26, 26, 26. For 27 in Hindi we say 27, 27, 27. For 28 in Hindi we say 28, 28, 28. For 29 in Hindi we say 29, 29, 29. For 30 in Hindi we say 30, 30, 30. Come to our next slide. Our next slide is 31 to 40. Okay. So for 31 in Hindi we will say 31, 31, 31. For 32 in Hindi we say 32, 32, 32. For 33 in Hindi we say 33, 33, 33. For 34 in Hindi we say 34, 34, 34. For 35 in Hindi we say 35, 35, 35. For 36 in Hindi we say 36, 36. For 37 in Hindi we say 37, 37. For 38 in Hindi we say 38, 38. For 39 in Hindi we say 39, 39. And for 40 in Hindi we say 40, 40. And if we are going to tell 41, so it is related to 40. Okay, like 39 also it is related to 40. See, this last two digit, or we can say last two letters, are related to lis, lis. So if you heard 39, what we say 39 in Hindi, you think in your mind it will related to lis. So it is 39. Okay, and 40 means in Hindi we say 40, 40. Come to next slide. 41 to 50. For 41 in Hindi we say 41, 41, 41. For 42, what we say in Hindi? 42, 42, 42. For 43, what we say in Hindi? 43, 43, 43. For 44 in Hindi we say 44, 44. For 45 in Hindi we say 45, 45. For 46, what we say in Hindi? 46, 46. For 47, what we say in Hindi? 47, 47, 47. For 48, what we say in Hindi? 48, 48, 48. For 49, in Hindi we say 49, 49, 49. For 50, what we say in Hindi? 50, 50, 50. And see here, it is also related. If it is 49 and next one is 50, so this is last two letters is matched. 49, 50. Understood what I told in last slide? So come to our next slide. Our next slide is 51 to 60. So for 51 in Hindi we say 51, 51, 51. For 52 in Hindi we say 52, 52, 52. For 53 in Hindi we say 53, 53. For 54 in Hindi we say 54, 54. For 55 in Hindi we say 55, 55, 55. For 56 in Hindi we say 56, 56, 56. For 57 in Hindi we say 57. In Hindi we say 57, 57, 57. For 58 in Hindi we say 58, 58, 58. For 59 what we say for in Hindi? 59, 59. And for 60 in Hindi we say 60, 60, 60. This is also related to each other, 60 and 59. Okay, so some students here confused. For 59 what we say in Hindi, for 49 what we say in Hindi, for 39 what we say in Hindi. So for this you have to see next digit. If you memorize or if you remember next digit in your mind, then last digit come to in your mind. Suppose here if someone asked you what we say for 59 in Hindi, then first you say or first you think what we say for 60 in Hindi. So in your mind it will become 60. So maybe it is or it is clear for 59 in Hindi we say 59. Okay, so come to our next slide, 61 to 70. For 61 in Hindi we say 61, 61, 61. For 62 in Hindi we say 62, 62, 62. For 63 in Hindi we say 63, 63. For 64 in Hindi we say 64, 64. For 65 in Hindi we say 65, 65, 65. For 66 in Hindi we say 66 or 66 also we can say 66. For 67 in Hindi we say 67, 67. For 68 in Hindi we say 68, 68, 68. For 69 in Hindi we say 69, 69, 69. For 70 in Hindi we say 70, 70, 70. And you will see from 61 to 68, last of the this one Hindi numbers, third is repeating. It means these all related from 61, 62, 63. Okay, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. Okay, but here for 69 it is changed. It is interrelated to next digit 70, 69. It means if it is 69, then we should say 69. Why? Because next digit is 70. Okay, so come to our next slide. Hindi numbers 71 to 80. For 71 in Hindi we say 71, 71, 71. For 72 in Hindi we say 72, 72, 72. For 73 in Hindi we say 73, 73, 73. For 74 in Hindi we say 74, 74, 74. For 75 in Hindi we say 75, 75, 75. For 76 in Hindi we say 76, 76, 76. Okay. For 77 in Hindi we say 77, 77, 77. For 78 in Hindi we say 78, 78, 78. For 79 in Hindi we say 79, 79. Okay. For 80 in Hindi we say 80, 80 and 80. Okay, so maybe you noticed this all things. If it is 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, till 78, it is coming tar, 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 tar. Means it is related to 70. For 70, what we say in Hindi? 70. For 70, what we say in Hindi? See, 70. So it means if it is 71 will come, we'll say ikhattar. Ikhattar. 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78. But it is 79 or 80. It is changed. It is, we say 79 and 80. And when you go to next slide, 81 to 90, then you will see it is repeated C, 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 C. Okay, it means for 81 in Hindi we say 81. It is related to 80, 80. Okay. So here for 81 in Hindi we say 81. For 82 in Hindi we say 82. 82. For 83 in Hindi we say 83, 83, 83. For 84 in Hindi we say 84, 84, 84. For 85 in Hindi we say 85, 85, 85. For 86 in Hindi we say 86, 86, 86. For 87 in Hindi we say 87, 87, 87. For 88 in Hindi we say 88, 88, 88. For 89 in Hindi we say 89, 89, 89. For 90 in Hindi we say 90, 90, 90. So you notice if it is 81, then it will become 81. Like this will come 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88. Okay. So maybe you don't have doubt if it is C will come last of the word. Maybe it is related from after 81. Okay. Means 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88. But here 89, you see it is written differently. Nawasi. It is Nawasi. Okay. And here it is Nabbe. Nabbe. Okay. And come to next our slide 91 to 100. Okay. For 91 in Hindi we say Ikyanbe. This type we should write Ikyanbe. 91, 91. For 92 in Hindi we say 92. Okay, no or do, 92. Okay, 92, 92. For 93 in Hindi we say 93, no or teen, 93, 93, 93. For 94 in Hindi we say 94, no or char, 94, 94, 94. For 95 in Hindi we say 9 or 5, 95, 95, 95. For 96 in Hindi we say 96, 9, 6, 96. 96 also we can say or 96 also we can say. Both are correct. 96. For 97 in Hindi we say 97, 97 or 97. For 98 in Hindi we say 98, 9 or 8, 98, 98, 98. For 99 in Hindi we say 99, 99, 99. For 100 in Hindi we say 100. For 100 in Hindi we say 100. Okay. And we can say 100 also. If we are telling 100, it is also correct. But if we are telling 100, these are also correct. So both are correct. So maybe today we learned or you learned Hindi numbers name or Hindi numbers 1 to 100. So in next video, we will meet again. Thank you.